Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Scott's Adventures. And today we are in Manchester, New Hampshire. Actually just outside Manchester. We're actually in Auburn, New Hampshire, just outside of Manchester. And we're going to do our first drone flight, which should be very exciting. We're at the Massabesic Cliffs overlooking Massabesic Lake. It is a, unfortunately, cold and damp day in May in New Hampshire, but you can see the trail behind me here. That's the trail I have to take to get to the cliffs overlooking the lake. Thank you so much for watching, and this should be a very interesting video, very interesting adventure. So a few months ago I purchased a DJI Mini 4 Pro or Mini Pro 4, whatever they call it, drone. And something I've wanted for a while. Decided to finally make the purchase. And I've been practicing where I live, but I haven't really done an official flight. And this is going to be my first one. Now, as you can see, it's damp out. You're not really supposed to fly a drone in these conditions. However, the rain, it's been raining here early part of the day. The rain has stopped, and it's not going to rain again for several hours. So I figure this is a good opportunity to do my first flight. Well, we made it. This is Massabesic Lake. We're on a cliff overlooking the lake, and it is, despite it being overcast, it is a beautiful view. And we're going to do our first drone flight. I just got my trust certification, and I'm ready to do this. Just to give you an idea, these are the cliffs. And there you have it, folks. I did my first flight, official flight, I'm actually going to get my drone put away pretty quickly here. It's not ideal weather. In reality, I really shouldn't be flying. It's not raining per se, but there's a drop here, a drop there. You don't want to mess up the drone. You're really not supposed to fly in the rain. It is not a steady rain or even a light rain, but I feel like it's starting to pick up. So I'm going to get the drone put away. But that was really cool. I got some really nice shots of the lake. That was awesome. Too bad it wasn't a nicer day, because I definitely would have flown longer, but that was a really cool experience. Okay, everybody, that's going to do it from Massabesic Lake in New Hampshire, and I hope you enjoyed my first drone flight. It wasn't much. Like I said, if the weather was nicer, I would have done a lot more, but it was nice being able to fly somewhere else other than my backyard. New York is a little strict with the drone flying, so that's when I knew I was coming to New Hampshire, I wanted to take full advantage. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I am going to do a New York flight. I have to get a permit. Suffolk County requires a permit to fly in their park, so I have to get a permit. New Hampshire does not require a permit, from what I researched. At least in most of their parks. Where I am right now, there's no permit required. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you for the next video. Take care, everyone.